Title Flower guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel, another Sunday cooking episode. Um, Hope everyone's okay. Special fatalofa to our Ainga members. I do apologize guys, we're probably late on starting only because I was late to wake up, but we've got most of the stuff going now. I think we've got about 2.5 hours before till night time, so today's menu is mostly beef, and then we've got some turkey tails as well. So back by popular demand, we're doing our steak again. Then we'll do a stir fry with some of the beef, and then we've got turkey tails, which we'll roast with the chicken and our usual hummus. So gotta get cracking on that. Hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe guys, share our channel. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so things got a little bit hectic, but everything is well on the way. So I've got three cooks, the food going on simultaneously, so we'll just have to monitor them as we go. But things are going pretty good now. Yeah, should be good. Should be done in about an hour's time, so still got a lot of time. Alright guys, so almost done with the steak now. After this part, we'll throw all the steak back into the oil, add onions, and then we'll add water so that we can steam it, turn it down on low heat, and leave it for about 45 minutes, just so that the gravy produces. So this is the last batch. Most of it's almost done. So once this is done, we're going to throw all the steak back inside, add onion, water, then we'll let it simmer. Stir fry. I'm waiting for the stir fry to reduce at the moment. We've already got the pasta ready. Cabbage is also over there, so everything's set to go. Just waiting for the beef to cook, so it's not tough when you eat it. But also the chicken and the turkey tail is already inside the oven. Almost there, fam. So I threw in the carrots about 15 minutes ago, just so that we can use the water that it was cooking the beef to try and cook the carrots. See, it's almost up to an oil now, which is what I want, and then it'll look glazed and beautiful. Finally reduced down to an oil, so now we're going to add in onion and garlic, give that a stir, then we'll start adding in the veggies. So now that that's in, add in the pasta. Alright, we'll get stir. Alright, so now we're just going to cap this and turn off the heat. That way the cabbage doesn't cook all the way through. Oh geez, just like semi-cooked. But it'll be good because it's kind of what we wanted, just a stir fry. But we're pretty much done now, just waiting on the roast. Almost forgot to check on the steak. Steak is looking good. Look at that gravy, man. Whew. So tender as well. Alright guys, finally come to the end. I'm going to show you guys the results. Yeah, I'm going to get into it. Coming from this side, got our taro. Got our steak there. Let's just switch on the... There we go. So we've got our taro, our steak, our roasted chicken and turkey tail. Got our beef stir fry there at the bottom. And our banana. Very nice. This is Samoa. Samoa like kiki. So I'll show you guys the ripened version of that, which is this. Very huge banana. But yeah, guys, I'm very excited to get into this. Look at that. Oh, very nice, very nice. So yeah, guys, we're going to get into this. So yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I enjoyed making it for you guys, and hope you guys all have a blessed Sunday. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.